Have you ever wondered how to truly diversify your retirement savings? With so many options out there, how do you know which gold IRA provider is the best fit for you? Here at Wire Daily, we take the guesswork out of investing in precious metals. Our in-depth reviews, side-by-side comparison, and expert guides are designed to help you make confident, informed decisions about securing your financial future. To get started, check the description and pinned comment for your free Gold IRA guide, a valuable resource filled with insights to help you navigate your options. Now, let's dive into today's topic and explore the best ways to invest your gold for your retirement.
Founded in 2001, US Money Reserve has grown into a prominent leader in this precious metal investment sector with a commitment of customer education and expectational service. The company provides investors with a reliable way to diversify their retirement portfolios using gold, silver, and platinum. Their long-standing reputation and industry expertise make them a top choice for those looking to secure their financial future. US Money Reserve offers a variety of high-quality government-issued precious metal for both directed purchases and IRA investment. Gold include American Gold Angels, Canadian Gold Maple Leaf, a Philharmonic coin. Silver features American Silver Angels, Canadian Maple Leaf, and silver bars. Platinum and palladium, real metal available in IRA approved coins and bars for enhanced portfolio diversification. US Money Reserve provide a multiple investment solution tolerated to meet a different financial goals. Direct purchases, buy gold, silver and platinum coins or bars through a secure to a transparent process. Gold and silver IRAs invest in tax advantage retirement account backed by a physical precious metal. Setting up a precious metal IRA with US Money Reserve. US Money Reserve simplifies the process of setting up a precious metal IRA, assuring compliance and security at every step. Open a self-directed IRA, work with an IRS-approved custodian, fund the account, transfer funds from an existing IRA load over a 401k or make a new contribution. Select approved metal. Choose from a range IRS and IRS-approved gold, silver and platinum product. Secure storage options. Secure metal in IRS approved assured deposit for peace of mind. Advantage of choosing US Money Reserve. US Money Reserve offers a numerous benefit of investors looking to secure their retirement saving. Trusted reputation, over 7,85,000 satisfied clients, and A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau. Educational resources, guides and market insight to help investors make informed decisions. Transparent pricing, no hidden fees, assuring clarity and all transactions. Secure storage and buyback options. Assets are stored in IRS-approved facilities with buyback guarantees available. US Money Reserve's buying process. US Money Reserve's buying precious metals straightforward with 3 simple steps. Browse inventory. Select from the diverse collection of the precious metal. Make them purchase. Secure checkout with various payment option. Choose shipping or storage. Have metal shipped directly or stored in IRS approved facility. US Money Reserve fees and payment option. US Money Reserve offers a flexible payment method to accommodate different investment, credit, debit cards, and PayPal available for smaller transactions. Bank-wide transaction, ideal for largest investment. Fee waivers, annual IRA fees waived for eligible new accounts and rollover the $25. Customer review and reputation. US Money Reserve has received a strong feedback across multiple review platforms, highlighting its credibility and commitment to customer satisfaction. BBB rating, A+ rating showcasing ethical business practices. Trustpilot reviews, customer praise the company for its professional service and educational resources. Is US Money Reserve is a scam? No, US Money Reserve is a legitimate and reputable gold dealer. The company has built its credibility through years of industry experience and compliance with investment regulations with secure transaction, industry certification, and customer-first policies. US Money Reserve is a trusted name in the precious metal investment space. For those looking to protect their wealth and diversify their retirement saving, US Money Reserves offer a reliable and secure platform for investing in gold and silver and platinum. With expert guidelines, transparent pricing, and a strong industry reputation, it remains a top choice for the investors. To learn more, visit their website and request a free gold IRA kit today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more insight on investing in precious metal.